We are final year students from FISAT Engineering College Computer Science Department. So this is our project presentation based on topic Music General Classification using Convolutional Neural Network. My group members are Sandeep Ramesh, Rosemall Suresh, Manisha Martin and myself Roseville Joseph. Abstract. As we all know, music genre classification is very important in today's world due to rapid growth in music tracks both offline and online. And also, it is a very challenging task in the field of music information retrieval. Due to the highly elusive characteristics of audio musical data, retrieving features from audio signals is very crucial. Here we use a novel approach that will extract musical pattern features in audio music using convolutional neural networks.
So, discussing about the problem statement, music genre classification is very important in today's world due to the rapid growth in music tracks. Automatic genre classification is difficult to distinguish between different genres. So, here we are using convolutional neural network for the training and classification. Suppose we have to extract certain features from the music file, and then we will be given into convolutional neural network for the output.
Is the CNN architecture consists of few layers such as convolutional, max pooling, and dense layers. The convolutional layer consists of few functionalities like number of nodes, kernel size, activation functions to be used, etc. We apply max pooling to every convolutional layers. Max pooling is used to reduce the size of the parameters. The output of this layer is saved and fed into next convolutional layers. The last few layers consist of dense layers, which forms fully connected layers, that is, every neuron in a layer receives input from every neuron from the previous layer. The output dense layer uses a softmax function, which will convert the output to a probability distribution. Later, the output is normalized for further use. This is a flowchart which will show how our classification system works. It uses dataset consisting of 10,000 songs representing 10 genres. The dataset we get usually will be in a .au format. So we convert it into a .wav format using ffmpeg function, and that is the first step. Later we extract FFT features from the converted dataset. FFT is the fast Fourier transform that will map signal of original domain to a frequency domain. The output of the dataset is divided into training and testing set, and train set is fed into the CNN layers, and it will train and extract musical patterns, and also it will deliver a model which will further use for evaluation and also for predicting the genre for new input.
Next is the implementation part of the project. First, we have to discuss about the dataset that we are using, that is GTSign dataset. It consists of 10 genres, 100 songs each. We did some tweaks to each song to get a data size of 10,000, and the test accuracy had a drastic change. After the augmentation process, we convert the file we have to the necessary encoding and format. Then we extract it using SciPy module. The FFT features are extracted using SciPy and given for learning, in which we have different layers. Since we are using CNN, we have convolution layer, dense layer, flighten, using and different hyperparameters for each of that, and every change in a hyperparameter can give a different accuracy. And after fitting the model is then saved so that we can use to check the genre of a new music file by loading it into the testing code. And after fitting the model, the result we obtained was a training accuracy of 96% and a test accuracy of 83%. And we did this in Google Colab because it have a high running power because of its GPU, and I have run the code again, and as you can see, there's an increase in training accuracy from 0.4 to 0.9, that is 90%, 98% now, and the test accuracy is 84% now. That's about the result.
So moving to the conclusion part of our project, we have presented a methodology to extract musical pattern features from the audio. That is, using the CNN, we have extracted the features using feature extractor first Fourier transform that is to be applied on CNN. Our experiment showed that the CNN is viable alternative for automatic feature extraction, and our CNN model is highly scalable. Few alternatives applied to the GTSEN dataset gave us an appreciable accuracy. That is, GTSEN dataset with 1000 dataset gave us an accuracy of 40% only, whereas when we increased it into 10,000 datas, we have got 85% test accuracy. So dataset of much more considerable size can yield a better model.